Hello all. This is Dr. Gauri with you on Skin Revive, and sorry for the delay. There was some technical difficulty. That's why we were not able to log in. Yeah. So today the topic of discussion is dark lips. So what are the causes of dark lips basically? So it can be lifestyle changes. Like in lifestyle changes, basically if you are smoking or drinking a lot of caffeine, so that can be reason for dark lips. Or there can be any medical reasons also. So in medical reasons, the cause can be lack of vitamin B12 or anemia, or if somebody is undergoing chemotherapy, the side effects of chemotherapy can result into dark lips or pigmented lips. Even Addison's disease is one of the factor for dark lips. So these are a few of the factors where you tend to get dark lips. Or if you don't protect your lips, you have to apply lip balm regularly, so that also helps a lot with reducing the pigmentation. Even if you are exposing yourself to sun, cover it with an SPF. That should definitely help. So today I'm here to discuss about the natural remedies, what we can do at home. So this will help to lighten, but it will not cure. Okay, so just to be particular on it, so this will help to lighten your lips, but it is not a permanent cure for dark lips. So what are the things we are doing with natural remedies? So I have here with me beetroot juice. Okay, so I've taken a beetroot, grated it well, and then in a mixer grinder taken a juice. So I'll take about 2 spoonful of beetroot juice, in which I will add half a teaspoon of honey, okay, and then this is a rice flour, so I think every ingredient will have it. So I'm taking a spoonful of rice flour, and with the help of a spatula or a spoon, we will mix it well. Okay, so yeah. So give it a nice stir. So if you feel it is still runny, you can add half a spoonful of rice flour again. So this can be your exfoliant come a face mask. Okay, this is pretty good, but I'll add a little bit of rice flour just to thicken. It should not drip off. Okay, it should remain on your lips. So see you. Yeah, so you can apply it. I will apply on my lips at the end, but I'll just show you. You can apply it on your lips. It's very coolant also. So you can do it like alternate days, so that will also help you. Okay, the second important thing which I will tell you is, please apply lip balm. Okay, lip balm, don't let your lips dry. So applying lip balm 2 times at least, like morning and before going to bed, and in afternoon also. If you feel your lips are dry, you can apply it a couple of times as well. So whoever have seen my last video on lip balm can just refer to it, or you can just go to the YouTube channel of Dr. Gauri Skin Revive and check it over there. So this was our first recipe for today. The second thing is, I would tell you about the rosehip oil. Okay, so try applying rosehip oil at daily before going to bed. So that also helps with lightening the pigment. Okay, so rosehip oil is a go-to recipe. Just take 2 drops of rosehip, gently apply it on the lips, and just leave it, you can sleep with it. Okay, that was a second natural way of treating the dark lips. The third thing which I want to tell you is, take a potato, okay, slice it, and on it we will add little bit of rice flour. Okay, so rice flour, then I'm adding 2 drops of glycerin and a pinch of wild turmeric. If you don't have wild turmeric powder, you can just use your regular turmeric powder. Okay, and let it mix it well. Okay, and now what you can do is, on your lips you can gently exfoliate. Okay, so this is the third natural way of treating your dark lips. So gently massage in a circular motion and leave it for about minute or so, and then just wash it off. Okay, so this was a third natural way of treating. So even aloe vera gel is also very useful. It helps you in lightening the lips as well. Don't try using lemon and stuff, because I won't really recommend. Beetroot juice is one of the go-to thing. So let me just show you. This is a micellar water. What is micellar water? Let me tell you. It's a makeup remover where you don't need to rinse it off with a water. Okay, so I'm taking micellar water on cotton pad and I'm just removing the lipstick. Okay, see, all lipstick is gone with the micellar water. There is nothing left over. So now what I'm going to do is, just leave it for around 10 minutes. There is nothing harmful in it. If it goes in your stomach also, it is absolutely fine. Just leave it and keep it for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, dip your finger in water and gently massage it and just wash it off. After washing off, don't forget to apply a lip balm. So these are my natural remedies for dark lips. So do try it at home and definitely leave a feedback. Thank you all for joining. Thank you, Kavita. Yeah, do leave me a feedback. Thank you so much. Bye.